I built a small breakout box for my Werkstatt that incorporates a 1M potentiometer for a volume control. I got an in and a out, if we can see it over here. Don't have it hooked up right now because I got it going through a mixing board, but it also contains the patch to turn the Werkstatt into having a second oscillator, which can be found on the workshop videos, but they built it on a breakout board. I just built it into this. I also have a 5K attenuator and a 10K attenuator, which I can also go from the keyboard CV out of the first Werkstatt into the second one and tune it through the 10K potentiometer here on the attenuator. First off, we're going to hear the note from the LFO acting as an oscillator. Now this is the LFO, and the filter is opening, so we can hear the VCO and the LFO together working, and they are tuned in a fifth. And I can bring in the other oscillator from the second Werkstatt, and it's tuned to a third. And that's my little breakout box for my Werkstatt.